everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's been a while. I am so sorry. I've been away for 3 weeks and been away for YouTube for 4 weeks. So it's been a month. So now I'm planning to do a live video, but unfortunately my laptop is not working. So I'm just filming with my little one. This is Luna, and I'm going to film with my another daughter, which is Yuki. So yeah, what we're going to do is we're gonna decorate and clean up, decorate a Christmas decoration for the whole upstairs, because I already decorated downstairs. So let's get started. So this is the living room. I'm gonna show you how it looks like. This is the living room. Yeah, she's been playing in that corner, so it's a bit messy. Luna, can you clean up your mess? This is our couch, and I use this living room for my daycare as well when they sleep, so I can't really do as much as I want to make it pretty, because there's a lot of kids that play here. So I will just do a friendly decoration, friendly setup for my house, living room. And say hi, Luna. She wants to be up. Hi. And that's my kitchen, dining room. So that's why I cover this, because some of my plants are poisonous and my coordinator doesn't allow me to open it to my daycare children. So yeah, I just have to divide it. But I'm gonna decorate a little bit there, and then decorate this area a little bit, because I'm trying to minimalize my decoration so that it's not. So I started doing the curtains. I changed it into clear white and the sequin pinkish or blush curtains, and I left the powder pink. So what my motif for this Christmas decoration is gold, silver, and blush or pink to complement my couches and pillowcases. So this is the look of it, and then I'm going to put the Christmas lights. Now we're attaching the Christmas lights. So this is how it looks like with the lights. Very neat. And now I'm gonna take off that area and I'll put the Christmas tree and decorate them. So we're going to start to decorate our Christmas tree. Okay.
Mommy!
Hold it, Yuki. Oh, Luna. Here's the Christmas tree. What color, Luna?
White.
Right.
Correct. What is it? Wow!
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 Film properly, Yuki. Film properly. Film properly.
Wow! Wow!
This one first.
Wow!
Wow! Okay, girls, keep going. Try your best.
Other way. Other one.
Papa.
She's saying wow.
Papa, this.
Papa, this.
Wow.
Down. Baliktad yung kay Nuna. Oh, wag mo muna. We're gonna put the other. Put it down. Dahan, because there's lights here.
Wow. Wow.
Mm-hmm.
This is Papa, this.
Wag muna. Yan lang. This one again. Next.
Next.
Okay, next one. She's so happy.
Luna, you want to do the final one?
Final one? Yes. Okay.
Come here.
Do the next one.
Wait. Let me put you up.
Now pull this down first.
Can you hold it? No. Okay. She doesn't want to hold it.
Oh, wag mo pa Ben.
Ay, let me do this.
Excuse me.
Papa, this. Papa, this. No, okay, the last one, Luna, ready? Come on. Okay, hold it.
We're gonna start decorating. For this process, make sure to separate the leaves one at a time and to make your Christmas tree fuller. That's what we are doing right now and taking the time to do it because it will look really pretty after you separate those leaves and make sure that everything is has the place. And so we decorated and put the Christmas balls first for these kids. And
Oh, you
we
made
still
it.
have a lot to do.
Oh,
So
no.
come on. This is the look of it. Sorry, we don't have the light on. So this is how it looks like. Very simple. What I did for this area, I followed the rule of third. So I just put the Mr. Nutcracker here and my diffuser, my favorite oil diffuser, and then my bamboo plant. And then after that, this is the other piece of Christmas decor. And then this is our family. It's Yuki, my husband, me, and my youngest Luna. And then I add these two reindeers, gold plated reindeers. And then the flowers, I just put it in a flower vase to cover the wiring at the back. Yes. That's the buffet. They call it buffet cabinet, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, that's how I minimize that space so that it doesn't look clutter. And then for this area, so I'm planning to mount this TV, but my husband is still busy because I don't know how to put it. So I'll just put the Santa and this amazing note, make today amazing, and Santa over there. That's how I decorate the other place in this house. So this is the final look of our living room.
How did you do?
Living room done and decorated. Put some decoration. So this is our stocking. Luna, whose stocking is this?
Papa's.
Papa's. This This one,
Mama's.
Mama's,
Titi's.
Ati's,
Luna.
Luna. Yes. All done. Thank you. Next would be our kitchen, hallway, and the rest of the whole house. Bye. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.